So this lab lesson is counting, and you always count with a registered nurse circulator in the operating room. So we'll start from the left. We'll start with our sponges, then we'll do our hanks, then we'll do our blades, then we'll do our needles, our reels, our Bovie tip and cleaner, and our hypo. Then once we're through with that, we'll start over here and we'll count our instruments. So the first thing we're going to do is count our sponges. So you never take off the paper wrapper on your sponges or your hanks until you're ready to count them. That's a safeguard for you and for the people in your room to make sure that you count all the sponges that are on your field. You only count sponges with a radio-opaque string in them because this makes them visible on X-ray if one should be left in the wound. So I'm going to take the paper off of this and I'm going to count. AORN recommended standards are that you don't fan your sponges, that you count them out one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ratex 4x4s, 4x8s. These sponges always come in packs of 10. So next we're going to count our hanks, and these too have the paper on them, so we're going to take the paper off because we now know that these have not been counted, and we're going to count them so that the circulator sees the radio opaque tab in them too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Michaelis's lap sponges come in packs of 5. So the next we're going to count our dissectors. Dissectors are used to do blunt dissection in body cavities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dissectors also always come in packs of 5. Next we're going to count our blades, and we have one blade. It came in the pack, still in its wrapper. So we're going to open our blade up and we're going to count it. One blade. Next we're going to count our suture needles, and you count the needles so that you can show them to the circulator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these two suture packs have to be opened for us to visualize the needles. And so does this one. So once we open these, we recheck the needles to make sure there is a needle in there. That's AORN, recommended practices. So next we're going to count our Bovie tip and cleaner. You have to take the Bovie tip out to show the circulating nurse so they visualize it. Bovie cleaner. One hypo, and one reel. And we're ready to count our instruments.